Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of an open box from Best Buy, Apple Watch Ultra 2. I actually don't even know what band this is. It didn't say on there. I think the name was just too long for their labels. So I just know it's an Apple Watch Ultra 2. We'll find out what band it is together here. It's supposed to be excellent condition. They are normally 800 bucks still. They just came out, what, a month or two ago. This was down to $735, which is really good. I actually went in there looking for one that was supposed to be $770, so this was even better. This is excellent condition, so we'll see how it looks. Alright, so here we go out of the box. So it is the Alpine Loop. I don't know exactly what color that is. It's probably even harder for you all to see through the camera. So I want to call this burgundy. I think they call it something else. Actually, if you watch one of my other videos on this, I think this is one of the ones I did unboxing of from a new one. So this is like actually the third time buying one of these, because I keep hemming and hawing if I actually want one or not, if I want to spend the money. But this one was definitely cheaper. That's kind of stuck on there. We'll come back to that. But anyway, of course, get paperwork, and let's see the watch itself. Well, that was awkward. Well, they wrapped it up nicely. Pretty nicely, at least. We're just gonna rip that. Let's see, so we got a little bit of smudging here. Let me clean this off real fast. Yeah, this looks brand new. I don't know if there's any scratching even on the bezel. This looks like someone used it for like a day. Then decided it wasn't, they didn't think it was worth 800 bucks. Didn't want to spend them 800 bucks on it. I mean, if you handed this to me and said it was new, I would believe you. It's just a little bit of, dust. It keeps getting on the watch itself. And this is really nicely in here as well. Yeah, I don't think somebody really used this. Or they had a different charger from maybe old Apple Watch or something. Because this is not even taken out here. This is brand new. That is awesome. This is basically a brand new watch. They definitely used it because this is a bit weird in here. There we go. But I did not use it very much because this looks brand new as well. So basically I saved about 65 bucks and got a almost like brand new, I'd call it like brand new Apple Watch Ultra 2. And hopefully this is actually an Apple Watch Ultra 2 because it does not say on the back 2. And by what I mean by that is hopefully somebody did not like buy this one and switch it out with the first gen and trick Best Buy. So once we turn this thing on, once I turn it on and get it all going, I'll find it out. But it looks really good. I mean, this is a different band, so I mean, it has to be Apple Watch Ultra 2, right? Anyway, thank you all for watching. This thing looks perfect. Again, it's supposed to be excellent shape. It is definitely excellent shape. Again, $735, so I saved about $65 or so off of an actual brand new price, and it looks brand new. So again, always check out Best Buy's open box items. Sometimes you get really good stuff, other times you do not. Today I lucked out and got really good stuff. I mean, yeah, so there we go. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.